Yes. Okay. So thank you everyone for joining this free workshop, and I'll discuss about the digital product roadmap and how you can build digital products and you can sell them without having any audience. And personally started 2 years back with this, and it I developed many different digital products as you can see in the community with Claude and with AI. So I'll just share with everyone, and I hope you find something interesting, and you can put the questions in the chat. So at the end, or you can ask them with it. That will be able to ask questions. So a little bit about me. So my name is Bansi Panchal, and I live in Canada, and I have like in the past 2 years, I started on the online journey of building digital products, and starting the school community and Substack. I started on Substack also, and personally, I reached over 9,000 digital product orders, and creating uh, digital products is something I like. And I have a technical background in computer science, and I studied that in university, and I did a few jobs in the corporate world, and then I found the online space, and it's very creative process to build something from scratch, and share it with everyone, and everyone likes it and uses it daily. So I help everyday people build and launch their own digital products, and that create real daily income using the platforms they're already on. So you're already spending time on like Facebook, Instagram, like all these platforms. But what we can do with this is monetize our knowledge, and you don't need big audience, and no paid ads. I personally never used paid ads to generate any kind of orders, and all I did was all organic marketing. And I also had a coaching client who Francis. He was a senior lecturer in accounting and finance, and I worked with him at the start of this year, and we built 4 digital products in he was helping small finance people, help with business and finance. So I'll go on to the next slide. So what we are covering today is why digital products are the best income model right now, and that's I will explain like why it's the best income model, and like how to find your product using only 3 simple questions, and the 4 products that sell the best, and how to build yours, and where to sell it, and picking the right platform for you, and how to get your first sale without an audience, and your 7-day action plan to launch this week, and something special for anyone who wants to go faster in this space. So uh, so why digital products? Because there's such a big amount of opportunity right now, because when you make a digital product, if I built a digital product in 2022 or 20 let's say 4 years 2 years ago, that product still exists now, and then I can just sell it again and again. So you create it once, and you can sell it thousands of times, and zero extra work per sale is required. So while you sleep, travel, or spend time with family, it keeps selling. And then you can start with $0. So you don't people recommend buying big digital marketing courses of $600 or like $1,000, but you don't need to spend that much money to get started with creating your digital products. And you also don't need a website and paid ads or any existing audience. I think this is a big misconception right now in this space, that you need an audience, like you have to build an audience first, or like a following, and then you can start selling to them, or get attention to them, or like get start making money after you have built an audience. Your knowledge is the product, because like whatever work you have done in your life, like your personal experience, life experience, can be turned into a digital product, and there's zero overhead. So no inventory, and no storage, and no shipping. That's the main reason why I started with digital products, because with physical products you have to buy the stuff like uh, clothing, clothing or anything, and you have to store it physically in your space. But with digital products, you can create thousand, uh, for example, the 1,000 mini web apps that I created. It's a big product because I just have to create it once, and they can keep selling again and again. And you can sell on any platforms. So you can sell on Substack, Threads, Instagram, Pinterest, TikTok, email, and you can choose the platform depending on your strengths. So if you're not good with coming on camera, then you can skip Instagram and maybe go on Threads or Substack, where you can write content without showing your face. And personally, I started doing more written content because I was comfortable doing that. Um, so I'll go to next. So like the opportunity that's here, and the numbers don't die. So there's a $400 billion, the size of the online education industry, and it's still growing. So and Forbes also posted an article that it will be a $1 trillion industry by 2030. So in like 4 years. And in that way, you can there's so much demand, and so much knowledge that you can share, and make a lot of money in this space. So personally, I had over 9,000 orders on my Beacon store, and everything that I do is without spending any money on ads. And I will show you guys my strategy like towards the end. Um, those are four digital products that sell the best. Like what to you build. Uh, there are prompt packs that you can build. So curated AI prompts for specific niche or goal. There's PDF guides, and you guys also got the mini web apps. That's a very good uh, digital products also, and the template pack and mini course. And the uh, and the price range for each of them from $7 to 47 or 97. So in this price range, there is no the buyers don't have to think a lot about the decision, because it's uh, not a expensive product. In And I recommend everyone to start with the low ticket digital products, because it's very easier for us to get started. And like how to find your digital product ideas. So like you can answer these three questions. uh, you can have it and also share the recording, so if you can't get to it now. So your product idea is already inside your answers. So what do people ask me for help with most? So your most common advice is your most sellable knowledge. So the thing you explain for free every day can be packaged and sold. So for example, for me, I have a background in tech and uh, like computer science. So like can easily explain you the technical concepts. And if you need like any technical help, or I need to create this product or do any kind of technical answer, I can answer it for you. So if you are like in health and wellness, or in any niche you are in, people normally ask you for something, and you would just give them the advice. The second thing is that what did I figure out that took me way too long? So maybe went through something, or you went through a struggle, and you can remove the struggle by helping other people go through this. So, for example, if you like if you're passing like I personally took language classes I took personally took language classes during my university days to get better with my English because I came to Canada like afterwards. So in that time, I took like extra language classes in English. In that time, I can help somebody how to improve your like language skills, and I can create that product and help people who are going immigrating to any different country. So if you're somebody is coming to a different country, and what could I teach someone in 30 minutes right now? So if you can explain it clearly, you can sell it. So you don't need to be world's greatest expert. Just know more than your buyer. So you don't need to be an expert in your field or have like 20 years of experience or anything. You just need to be one step ahead of your buyers who are going to buy your product and will enjoy like what you are going to share with them. So, and another thing I recommend to all of everyone is that don't build until you validate. So most people build first and then try to find buyers. So you have to flip it. So you post about the problem first. So you can even in if you are in any school community or any Facebook group or anything, you can just post that write 1 to 3 posts about what problem you are solving, and then you can say that if your people are interested, would anyone be interested in buying this? And people say, oh, just me, just comment me, and then you will know that this product is validated, and then you can start selling them and watch who responds. They can be your close friends or people in your circle, and the comments and likes show you that what the demand is of the product. For example, the Claude product, like a lot of people right now want to learn about Claude, and like they don't know how to use it because there's so it's a from a technical standpoint, it's very easy for me to like understand it, but for other people it's very hard. So that's why I came up with the idea of how to use AI to create digital products. And you can ask one question: would a step-by-step guide on this be helpful to you? And if say if all like at least 5 or 10 people say yes, then I would recommend you start building it, and build for the people who said yes. You already have pre-validated buyers. So you would have a waiting list of people who would be ready to buy the product, and then your first sale is coming. First sale will come right away once you launch the product. So pick any one platform and go all in. So the mentor I follow, and she recommends that you stay on only one platform for 1 year, and 1 year and until you hit a certain amount of the revenue numbers. So I personally I'm focusing all on Substack and Threads because they speak and maybe YouTube. I'm planning on doing more on YouTube because in the, personally I like written content, and I can express myself more well in the written format. But a lot of people are good with creating videos on Instagram and TikTok, and I recommend you do that if you are comfortable with that. And I recommend Beacons for your digital storefront because it's a free beacon stores that you can create, so you don't have to pay for it monthly. So yeah, that's the question you have, and I recommend also to everyone to start building an email list. So once you have an email list, let's say of 100 people, 50 people, if, even even like 1,000 people, then you can start getting predictable sales every day uh, in your business. And because let's say if you open an Instagram account and you have like 10,000 followers, but what if your account goes away? Like TikTok banned my account on TikTok, and like I had 3,000 or something followers, and they removed it. So, but if I have my own email list, then those people are constantly coming to buy from me. Even if I sell anything, any product, if high ticket, low ticket, or any product that I sell. So email list is the biggest thing you should focus on, because it's very important for you. And set up your big. You just have to set up your beacon store. Then you connect your Stripe and PayPal, whatever your payment information, and then you have a digital storefront. So if you picture it, like you have a real store in a mall, right? It's similar to that. It's a beacon store is a digital storefront where you can put your first product, and it doesn't have to be complicated or anything. And you price it between $7 to $17, so it's low friction. So I was talking about Francis. So we created 4 digital products with him when I was working with him, and it was priced between $17, $7, and like it was low ticket products. And it's he was selling like a small business finance kit and how to prepare for tax time. So, and then once you have your beacon store, you can just promote it everywhere. You can send it to your friends, family, customers, or post it in Facebook groups or school communities and start getting sales. And like how to get your first sale without an audience. So we start with building a simple product. And what I recommend you guys to do is that you focus on one specific problem, and you don't have to give like a big like 100 page 100 module course to your first product, because it's very complicated and you won't finish it, and your buyer will also not finish it. So I recommend you create a product which is simple, or the product kind of products that I share in the community, which is like created to Claude prompts or something like that. Then you set up your beacon store, and step 3 is that you write 3 posts about the problem. So on Threads or any platform where you feel comfortable, you can share. And no selling, you can just post about value. So if you post like how your product is helpful, like the problems that your customers are facing, and share value and tips related to that, and DM everyone who engages. So I made something that helps with exactly this, and you want the link, and post your link everywhere. So in bio, captions, comments, email signature, people buy when the link is easy to find. So you can post it, and people who are interested will reach out and buy the product. So personally, I created my um, first digital products when I started this community. And you can scroll back and see like I also every day I create new digital products, and you don't have to be you can create small ones, and then when you gain confidence, you can start increasing the price. So your 7-day launch plan. So what I recommend you guys everyone to do is pick your product idea and use 3 questions from today, and you can write the content, prompts, PDF pages, or templates. You can design it in Canva, or most of you guys got the Plot to Digital Product course, so you can use the prompts from there to design the product and like write the contents. Then set up your beacon store and write your product listing. Everything I gave you guys in the Claude to Digital Product course, and you can write and post 3 pieces of content about the problem you solve. So if you help like college graduates find jobs, let's say if that is your problem, then you can start solving that problem with the content. give value tips, and then you can post the question like the your link, and DM everyone who engages, and share your beacons link directly. And I recommend you guys that share directly the link to your product, and post about your product publicly. And you can post it on your Facebook profile, like if you have like a lot of friends there, or any place which you have a lot of people who know you from, like from your past. So you now have the roadmap, and the question is that, do you want to figure out the rest alone, or do you want me to walk you through it? So before I let you guys go, I want to share something for the people in this room uh, who want to go faster with this. So I'm introducing the digital product accelerator. So a 4 week done for you experience from product idea to first sale. So I personally will help you with bi-weekly group coaching calls on Zoom, and you can ask questions and get real answers, and 24/7 Telegram access. So I created a Telegram group where you can ask me questions related to background, and I'll help you create your first digital product. And I'm putting 10 people max for like a small accountability, and 4 weeks from blank page to live product with a buy link and real buys. So, what I other bonuses I have is that when you join today, you get these bonuses for free. So, on launch day, I shout out your product in the both of my communities. So, in that way, you get up, like a lot of people are inside the community, and they would be interested in buying your product. And and I also help you list your product is listed on your Beacon store. So I add your finished product to your Beacon store with a professional description, and so get it ready to be listed. The product idea vault is also there, so you get 50 done for you digital product organized by niche, and the low ticket launch playbook. So you can see how to price, write the description, and launch your $7 to $27 product in 48 hours. So that is all included. So I help you add the product to your Beacon store, and also shout out in the school community. And so it's 97 USD, and we are starting in June 1st. So uh, and you it's two bi-weekly group calls, and you can message me on Telegram, like in the group chat, and I will help you get started. And if you're interested in that one, drop CEO in the comments, and I will share all the details with you. So here it's I want to share about like I worked with Francis, who he lives in I think UK right now, and then he we worked in together in February, March. I think, yeah, March, 4 weeks I worked with him, and then he got four digital products made with them. So I built it for him. It's listed on his Beacon store, and then I also give him 30 days of threads content that he can post in his post on the threads profile, and also shared his products in the if you scroll back, you can see that I shared his products on in the school community. And he said, "You're my hero in figuring out what to do. Your products mean the world to me, and I'm very happy and cannot wait to tap into your experience and expertise." So, your experience is worth more than you think, and someone out there is searching for exactly what you know right now. Like, and they would pay like any 17 or 27 for a guide that takes them from where they are and where you already are. and the only thing stopping them from finding it is that you haven't built it yet. So drop CO in the comments, and then uh, I can get you the link. I will also post in the I will also post in the community like this recording. Yeah, so if you have any questions, you can unmute. Uh, you can unmute and let me know. Yes, yes, Tamiko, there will be a replay, and I will share it in the group. So if you have any questions, you can unmute, and I can uh, I can answer them for you. So it's the new program. I'm launching it in June, and we will have your digital product ready by next by the end of June, even sooner. And if we have more time, we can start creating more products also. So if anyone has any questions about uh, the digital products or anything in general, uh, we finished I think in like 40 minutes, so I can help answer questions. So you can unmute or ask in the chat. And hope it guys it made sense. And like the workshop made sense, and it was helpful for you guys. So I'll share the link to the if you if anyone is interested, I'll share it. So yeah, so I shared the link to the digital product accelerator. So if uh, you guys can if you have any, if you want to get started right now, then you can uh, we can work together and find your first digital product idea together. Yeah, and thank you, Cynthia, for getting the cloud, the cloud products and cloud digital product and the 1000 mini web apps. Yeah. Okay, you have any other questions? Um, like about anything else? Any even about the products like the cloud product or about AI? So I can share with everyone. Okay, not right now, still. Okay. Yeah, but you can message me like if you need any help, you can message me in the school community and in the DMs, and then I can help answer your questions. And So the digital product etc is starting uh, next week, I think. Yeah. So if you guys interested, you can join that one. But I think like monetizing digital products is the fastest way you can start making extra money with your own skills. And I had a lot of I had a lot of experience with AI, and then right now there's so much demand with AI, and you can use AI to build anything right now with Claude and like all the prompts and everything, that you can quickly build any website or any web app or anything. So the thing is that you only have to bring out your creativity outside, and bring out creative ideas, and that ideas can turn into a product, uh, and you can help monetize it quicker. So I also posted about you can how you can start your school community with a. So I help you set up your school community, and another thing I was sharing is I can also build out the mini web apps like custom to your brand if you want. So so those are the offers that I was sharing about. So I hope you guys did found this helpful, and it helped you in some way. And if not, if you guys have any questions, you can comment or unmute, and then maybe some few guys are working. Okay, so as if you have any questions, you can I'll post this recording, and then you can drop the questions below the chat, and also post about the digital product etc in the group. So and thank you so much for everyone for joining and giving your precious time to this call. And yeah, thank you, Cynthia. Thank you, everyone, for joining. Cynthia, Lily, and Tomiko, and Angie. Thank you so much for joining. And I will see you guys in the group. And yeah, I want to do like more live calls in the group. Uh, yeah, yeah. Thank you, Angie. Thank you so much for getting the products also, and thank you and for being in this community. And it means a lot to me that a lot of people are joining, and my products are like helpful for everyone. So I will see you guys in the group, and I'll post the recording also, and I'll share about everything. Thank you.